Hi guys, my name is Annie. I hope you all have a great day so far. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm doing DIY sewing. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to see new video every Thursday. Last week, I already showed you the way to make a blazer for boy. In video today, I keep going to show you part 2. It's short. The temperature is rising and my nephew loves to wear shorts. It's easy for him to move. That's a reason why I make his suit with blazer and shorts. I'm going to be sharing with you step by step to sew this short with fly zipper, side pocket and elastic at the back waistband. Okay, let's get started. I'm still using linen fabric in turquoise like blazer. And here the border. The top part is square pen. At front side, I'll reduce 4 cm because there is a pleated on each side. Then the left waistband, I'll add 3.5 cm for fly zipper. For the short, front and back side are all small identical to each other, just different at the pocket position. And here are 2 panels of pocket, with panel 1 correspond to the front piece and panel 2 correspond to the back piece. Okay, let's cut our fabric. When I got all the pieces that I need, I'll print them to overlock all of the raw fabric. Now, I'm starting to connect pocket panel 1 to the front side. Next, flip the pocket panel to the wrong side and stitch it on the front panel. It's just like this. I also place pocket 2 to the back panel with right side together and sew it. Now, place front side and back side on each other. Grab 2 panels of pocket and stitch it around, then overlocking. Doing that onto the other side. Next, I'm going to connect both sides from the end of the pocket to the bottom. Then, stitching the inner side together. I forgot the pleated at the front side and the flap at the back side. Please making them first. Now, not too late, I'm gonna fold fabric at the top and stitch it to keep it in place and press it. To make it the flap, I'm going to place 2 panels with right side together and stitch it around except the top. Cut the excess fabric, turn the right side out and press it flat and nice. Next, I'm gonna place the flap on the right position at the left part side and stitching them in place. To making the fly zipper, I already cut a panel with 4.5 cm width and 17 cm length. Then, curve one corner. It's fly facing. For fly guard, just double time the fly facing. After cut our fabric, I'm going to press a thin interfacing and overlooking one long edge and curve one on per panel. Now, I'm gonna place the fly facing on the left side of sword with right side together and stitch it. Next, open it up. Use my finger to press it and stitch it on top right beside the seam. Then, I'm going to place the zipper on with right side together, how the edge of zipper stop at the seam, and stitching zipper onto the fly facing. Now, I'm gonna put the fly guard on the zipper. Matching with other side of zipper, flip them to the other side and sew them together. After that, place the right side of sword beside. Fold fabric 1 cm to the wrong side and stitching them in place. Then, I'm going to sew the cross seam, starting right beside the previous stitching line. Moving on to the waistband, I already pressed an interfacing on all panels up front. Now, I'm starting connect 2 panels up front onto the back side. Next, I'm gonna place 2 new panels on each other with right side together and stitch it on top and both sides. Then, cut the excess fabric, turn the right side out and press it flat and nice. Before stitching waistband into the short, I'm gonna cut the excess zipper. Now, I'm starting sewing subsidiary waistband to the wrong side of short. Next, I cut some elastic and stitching each side of it to each side of the waistband. I already prepared a panel with 4 cm width. Now, fold it and stitch it. Next, keep going to stitch on another side. Then, cut it into 5 pieces with 8 cm length to making the belt loop. And now, turn the right side out, stitching on the main waistband. While sewing, I'm gonna place the belt loop on 5 positions, 2 at front and 3 at the back side. Come to the back side, stretch the elastic to fly with the fabric. Continue to sew around the waistband. To hem the bottom, I already prepared the pie attack. Now, cover the edges of fabric and stitching them in place. Next, fold fabric 2 cm to the wrong side and sew it. Lastly, I'm just making buttonhole at the sewing accessory shop and hand stitching button to the waistband and small one on the flap to finish. And here's the final look. I just finished all set for my nephew. They absolutely look good on him. Hope you like it and see you next Saturday. Bye!